Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Chamberlain MYQ G0301-E. It's a MYQ Smart Garage Hub. By the way, be sure to make sure you purchase the hub with the door sensor, because I was trying to search for this, and somehow I saw the price was pretty cheap, and then I look at it, it's just a hub. So be sure, if you buy a brand new kit, make sure you have the door sensor. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. By the way, I got this out of eBay, and then this is the lowest price that I ever found, $20 plus tax, free shipping. So total out the door is $21.75. So I was lucky to find this, and even the seller offered a best offer, but I just purchased anyway. I don't want any other people just to grab it. So hopefully it's a brand new seal. That's what it is. So yeah, it looks like a brand new seal. So yeah, you need to download the app and do all the setup and everything. So easy to set it up. You download the MyQ app and then create your MyQ account. Follow the in-app instruction in order to set up properly. So as you can see, it has the Wi-Fi hub and then the door sensor. Okay. So make sure you don't just purchase this hub. Yeah, so it is a factory seal, has the sticker on there as well. So this is the hub. Yes, four of those, it might be actually five of those LED, so your flashes and making a beep sound when the door is about to open or close. Okay. So this is the power switch right here. And the button. There's a 1, 2. All the instruction booklet. You should come with the brackets and then a power adapter and then a Velcro strip for the door sensor. So before you start, make sure you have the 2.4 gigahertz router, and then a mobile phone and your garage door opener. And this is the door sensor right here. You need to pull out this tab so you get this engage the plastic between the battery and then the contact. Here's a battery door right here. Count the sticker. Inside here should be the battery. Oh no, the battery's already in the sensor. All the hardware and then the adapter. So this is the adapter right here. It's a 7.5 volt 1 amp. And the input voltage is 100 to 240 volt as 0.3 amp. And this is the bracket. You got the 2 strip of the Velcro. So you can put it on the top and the bottom of your sensor. And you got the screws and then the drywall anchor, okay? So you mount those 2 screws. You need to put this near the garage door opener within certain feet, and then on the seating. And then after that, you slide this bracket to lock it. Okay, just like that. Oh yeah, anyway, $20, you cannot go wrong with this. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Like always, peace.